Hi everybody and welcome to the personal property tour for number 5 Glendale in Leven. This is a spacious 2-bed ground floor apartment. It's got a private garden to the front and the rear, and it's also finished to a high standard inside. It's in an ideal location and close to all local amenities, and it's also got great transport links, being just up the road from Leven bus station and soon to be train station. So let me take you on the tour of the property. So as you can see, we've got a front garden, private front garden to the front, and it's leading straight into the property. You can already see by the hall the standard of finish that we've got, but I'll show you the bedrooms first and we'll work our way down. So here you've got your extremely spacious first bedroom. It's fully carpeted as well in here, and we've got our double glazed windows to the front, which is amazing because it's letting in a lot of natural light. And moving on, I'll show you into our second bedroom, which again is a great size. And what I love about this room as well is we've got coving up the top, so it's a lovely feature. And again, carpeted all along, but let me just show you from a different angle the size of this room. Certainly one you're going to need to come and view to appreciate. Moving on, I'm going to show you into the bathroom. So we've got an incredible 3-piece suite. Got our bath, shower head above, WC, wash hand basin, and it's partially wet walled and partially tiled too. But we've also got our heated towel rail down the side there as well. But it's finished to a real high standard, this bathroom. In our hallway, you'll see we've got 3 storage cupboards, so you're getting an ample storage space, which is quite rare to have in an apartment actually. In the lounge you can see it's such a bright room, this room, and you've got your patio doors as well. That's giving you access to your private rear garden, but it's also letting in a lot of natural light. Let me show you from another angle how big the room really just is. And again, you've got your cornicing in this room, which is great. In our kitchen, our wee dining kitchen, which I love, we've got our integrated fridge freezer. We've also got an integrated washing machine and dishwasher, hob, oven below, and extractor fan up top. And again, our double glazed windows to the rear, but this is an amazing sized room. And it's also great that we've got all our integrated appliances. And up here, you've even got that wee bit of room to put a dining table in. And with that being carpeted, of course, you've got your laminate floor in there. Nice and easy to clean as well. Let me show you the rear garden now, which is just great what they've done with it. So out here you'll see we've got a lovely raised decking area. We've also got shelter on the top, so even when it's kind of in this weather, when it's warm but rainy, we could still enjoy the outdoors. And what I love is you've got the garden split up into different zones. So you'll see here we've got our laid to lawn area, we've got further decking down the bottom, and we've also got areas for planting and our flower beds and whatnot. And here we've got access to the front of the property, which is great for bin storage and whatnot. But let me give you another little glance at this garden because it's an incredible size. So just to recap, ground floor apartment, number 5 Glendale. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 reception room, and it's got a great dining kitchen. It's also got a stunning bathroom as well, and it's got private gardens to the front and rear. If you're interested in this property, give us a call on 01333 421 774 or message us direct for further details. It's been Erin from 5 Properties TV. Bye bye.